Hello students, welcome you all in this JVR's online class. How are all of you? I hope all of you are well at your home with your parents. In this online class, in the last class of electricity, we had studied about resistivity and we have developed the relation how mathematically रेजिस्टिविटी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड। उस क्लास में हम लोगों ने रेजिस्टिविटी के बारे में पढ़ा, रेजिस्टर्स और रेजिस्टिविटी के डिफरेंस के बारे में भी पढ़ा, और लास्ट टॉपिक जो हमारा बच गया था वो था न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन रेजिस्टिविटी। और हमने कहा था कि अगले क्लास में, अगले लेक्चर में हम लोग सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल्स ही सॉल्व करेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सो वेलकम वंस अगेन इन दिस क्लास। In this class, it will be focused only on numericals on resistivity. इस क्लास में हम लोग सिर्फ रेजिस्टिविटी पर न्यूमेरिकल्स ही सॉल्व करेंगे। हमने रिलेशन जो डेवलप किया था, जस्ट रिकॉल दिस, हमने रिलेशन डेवलप किया था R इज इक्वल्स टू रो इंटू एल डिवाइडेड बाय ए। हम लोगों ने जब रेजिस्टिविटी पढ़ा था तो उसमें देखा था कि रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो डिपेंड करता है डायरेक्टली एल पर और इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन। एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन के बारे में हमने डिटेल में बताया था उस लेक्चर में। और एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या होता है, अगर वो स्क्वायर पाइप, अगर वो उसका एंड सर्कुलर है लाइक दिस, तो वो एक सर्कल का फॉर्म बनेगा और उसका एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या निकलेगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर। अगर वो स्क्वायर पाइप होगा तो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर जो होता है वो निकलेगा। चलिए आइए तो यहाँ देखते हैं हम लोग। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव टेकन फॉर यू, दिस इज कैलकुलेट द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कॉपर वायर ऑफ लेंथ 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -4 मीटर स्क्वायर। द रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ कॉपर इज 1.7 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -8 ओम मीटर। Formula that we will use is R is equals to rho L by A. R for resistance, rho resistivity, L length of the conductor, and A for area of cross section. Let us solve this problem. Here what are given? Calculate the resistance of a copper. That means we have to calculate resistance. So R we have to calculate. Copper wire of length 20 centimeter, L is given, L is equals to 20 centimeter, okay, and area of cross section is also given, A is equals to 3 into 10 to the power -4 meter square. The resistivity of copper is 1.7, resistivity is also given, so here rho is equals to 1.7 into 10 to the power -8 ohm meter. Now at first we have to see the in which, just see, resistivity is given in ohm meter, area of cross section is given in meter square, and length is given in 20 centimeter. So at first we have to convert this centimeter into meter. So it will be 20 by 100 meter, that is 0.2 meter. Now it is 0.2 meter. Now we have to calculate, now we have to put all the values in this formula. Just take the formula R is equals to, we have to find R at first. R is equals to rho into L by A. Put the values. R is given here. R we have to find. Rho is given here. It is 1.7 into 10 to the power -8 ohm meter into L is given here. It is 0.2 meter divided by A, and A is also given 3 into 10 to the power -4 meter square. Now we have to calculate this. Just see, if we multiply these one, then it will become 17 to the 34, it will come 0.34 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power, just take this 10 to the power minus 4 to the upper side at the numerator, and it will become 10 to the power 4 divided by 3. Now just divide this 0.34 from 3, and if we divide, it will become 0.113 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus 4. We can divide here also. We can divide it here from 3, 0.34, it is 0.149 like this. It will become 0.113 and 10 to the power minus 8 plus 4. Now it is 0.113 into 10 to the power 4 minus 8, this is minus 4. Now we have to write this in scientific notation, so it will become 1.13 into 10 to the power minus 5, and this is ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm, so it will become 1.13 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm. So in this way we can calculate resistance of a conductor. Now the second question that we have taken, it is here, and the question is, calculate the resistance of 100 meter long copper wire. The diameter of the wire is 1 mm, that is millimeter, and resistivity of copper is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Let's solve this once again. What are given here? Calculate the resistance, R I have to calculate it, of 100 meter long wire. L is again given here. L is equals to 100 meter. The diameter of the wire, D is given here. D is 1 mm. Then certainly R is 0.5 mm. We have to convert this in meter, so it will become 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and resistivity rho is given here. Rho is given 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Now we have to put all the values. R is equals to rho L by upon A. R we have to calculate. R equals to rho. What is the value of rho? It is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into L. L is given here 100 divided by area. We have to calculate area here. So area of cross section is 3.1414 into pi r square, and r is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. We can write like this. R equals to 1.7 into 10 to the power 8 into length divided by area. Area of cross section, that is pi r square. Pi 3.14 into r. R is given here r square. Now we have to calculate this. So r equals to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 2 divided by 3.14 into square of 0.5, that is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 6. We can cancel here 100.25 into 100 . 4. It is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 4 into 100 divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 3.14. Now we have to change this 3.14 into 100 again. It is 400. 10 to the minus 8, 6 into 400 into 100. Now if we have to multiply this, it will become 680 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus 6 plus 2 divided by 314. If we will divide this 680 from 314, it will become 2.165 into 10 to the power, just see here, it is minus 8 plus 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, that is 8 minus 8, so it will become 10 to the power 0, and the answer is something to the power 0 is equals to 1. So the answer is 2.165 and it is ohm. So in this way we have to solve the problems based on resistivity. I am taking some more problems on the basis of resistivity to find the other things. Here in these two questions we have find only resistance. Now resistance will be given and we have to find the resistivity or length, or we have to find area also. So just I am taking the another question on this formula. Now students, here is another question to solve. Question is, a copper wire of resistivity 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter has a cross sectional area of 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter square. Calculate the length of this wire required to make a 10 ohm coil. What are the things given here? It is a copper wire of resistivity 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Rho is given here. Rho is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Has a cross sectional area is given, that is A is equals to 20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter square. Calculate the length of this wire required to make a 10 ohm coil. 10 ohm is given, that is R is equals to 10 ohm. Just see here, in each we have to convert the unit here. Ohm is given here, ohm meter is given, it is centimeter square. So we have to convert this 20 into 10 to the power minus 4, it is minus 8 meter square. How it becomes minus 8? Centimeter square is given divided by 100 into 100, that is 10 to the power 4. And minus 4 comes here, so it becomes minus 8. So it is, area is 20 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter square. Now we have to put all these in the formula given here. So R is equals to rho into L upon A. Now resistance is given here, we have to find L here. So L is equals to R into A divided by rho. R into A divided by rho. Now we have to put the formula. L is equals to R, that is 10 into A, area of cross section, 20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8 divided by rho. It is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now we have to calculate this. 20 into 100, this is 200 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 8, just minus 8 goes to the numerator, divided by 1.6. It will become, if we change this point, it will become 2000 divided by 16 into 10 to the power plus 8 minus 8, it is 10 to the power 0. Now we have to divide 2000 from 16 . So it will become 125 equals to 125 into 1, that is 125. What is this? This is length, so it is 125 meter, and this is our answer. So in this way we have to calculate the length when resistance is given, area is given, and rho is given. Now the next question. So students, तो इस तरह से 125 मीटर is our answer. Now the next question is, calculate the resistivity of wire having length 1 meter and area of cross section 1.21 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square if its resistance is 0.14 ohm. Now we have to solve this. Here, calculate the resistivity. We have to calculate resistivity having length 1 meter. Length is given, L is equals to 1 meter, and area of cross section, area is given, that is 1.21 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. If its resistance is given, R is equals to 0.14 ohm. Now we have to calculate resistivity. So the formula is R is equals to rho L by A. From here, rho is equals to R into A divided by L. Now we have to put the values. Rho is equals to R, resistance is given 0.14 multiplied by area of cross section, that is 1.21 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, this is ohm, divided by length is given 1 meter. It's very simple, it's very easy to calculate. Now we have to multiply this 1.21 and 0.14, 1.21 and 0.14 we have to multiply. (0.1694). It will become 0.1694 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Now we have to write this in scientific form. So we have to write 1.694 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter square. 10 to the power minus 7, 0.08 minus 7 meter square. This is 1.694 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter square. This is rho. This is rho. So we can write here ohm meter. ohm meter. And in this way we can calculate from the given formula R is equals to rho L by A. If R is given, rho is given, L is given, we can calculate area of cross section. If L is not given, then we can find L. If rho is not given, we can find rho like here. So whenever we have to solve this formula, at first we have to check in which unit all the things are given. If the units are changed, then at first we have to convert the unit in the similar unit, and then we put the values on this formula, and only then we will get the answer. For this class, for resistivity, we will take some more questions further, but in the next class we will start the combination of resistances, that is series combination and parallel combination. Until then you have to solve some problems from your book, the book that you have taken from the school. Solve the questions using all the formulas on potential and on current. Solve the problems, and if you find any problems in solving this, then send it to the school, then I will provide the solution on the Telegram channel. Until then, goodbye and best of luck. Prepare yourself for the examination. Keep in mind that the examination will take place on the same time, so prepare yourself for the examination. Especially for the 10th class student, it is very important to note that एग्ज़ाम अपने समय पर ही होगा, इसलिए समय आपका समय 2-3 मंथ निकल चुका है, तो अपनी तैयारी को अप टू डेट रखें और जहाँ तक पढ़ाई हो गई है उसको बिल्कुल फॉलो करते हुए घर पर मेहनत करें, एंड बुक्स में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स उसको सॉल्व कीजिए, और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू. थैंक्स टू ऑल.